What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen how to cook. And honey child, today daughter invaded my kitchen. She's making her famous Oreo Chips ahoy cookie ice cream in the kitchen, fast, easy and simple. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you will always know whenever I upload brand new contents. So you ready for the thing? You ready for that to turn up the kitchen? Let's go. Okay, goodies, let's get started. All right, so this is what daughter is doing. This is her recipe. Now she have her Oreo cookies here, and she have some small size one, big size, small size, and she have her Chips Ahoy cookies. All right. Now she did buy these inside of the Dollar Tree, so that's where you could find those. All right, now you're gonna need a heavy box of whipping cream, and that is total 2 cups. Some vanilla extract. All right, then I'm gonna need your rose water for sure. You're also gonna need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk for the recipe. All right, you're gonna need a nice bowl to mix up everything in, and you're going to need a container which you're going to need to freeze up your ice cream. You're also going to need a hand mixer because we're going to do this without the ice cream machine, so it's going to be fast, easy and simple. Now in a separate container, you're going to go ahead and crumble up your cookies. And again, she's using Chips Ahoy, and she's also using her Oreo cookies, and you could find those inside of the Dollar Tree. Now, of course, you can add different kinds of cookies if that's what you need. All right, just go ahead and do that. Now we did want to do the voiceover. I didn't want to do the voiceover, but I have a lot of music going on in my garage. Husband is playing his music over there, so we are going to have copyright, and we don't want no copyright up in here. I don't want to have no more problem with YouTube right now, right? I already have a problem with them already as we speak. All right, so daughter went ahead and crumbled up her Oreo cookies into it. And again, she's choosing to use the small ones and the big ones, but it really doesn't matter. It's just whatever you have because you're going to crumble it anyway. So crumble that all in. And then when you crumble up, that is what you will have right there. Now what you're going to do next here is go ahead and mix it in. You're going to combine everything together. Make sure you get it all mixed in together. All right. May I make sure some slow down. May I try to slow down when I speak. Speak is spooky talky eye, because everybody say that I talk. Well, not everybody, but some people I say, oh, me talk too fast. So make us slow it down. Now we are going to open up the box of heavy whipping cream, and again it total 2 cups, and you go ahead and pour it out into the bowl. All right, into the bowl like that. Good to make sure you thumbs up these videos. All right, thumbs them up, good, thumbs them up so the channel can grow. Now you want to go in and add your 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now remember that your heavy whipping cream have absolutely no flavor and no taste to it. So the less condensed milk you put, you might not get that sweetener because it is definitely fresh in flavor. All right, since we're doing cookies here, cookies is definitely sweet, so you could adjust your cookie and balance out your sweetener of choice. But in this kitchen, we are gonna put the 1 can of the sweetened condensed milk into the 2 box of the heavy whipping cream and combine them all together. Right, so that's all you need to do here, if you're so please. Right. All right, the next thing daughter decided to do here was make this thing have a flavor, because you want your ice cream to have flavor, right? Correct. Check. Now, you know, when me cook, me not really measure nothing, but daughter go measure our thing. So she added 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract, boom, in the mix. Then she decided, which is a must-have, you know must put it in yours, but this a kitchen, yeah, we're gonna put that. 1 teaspoon of the rose water, mad flavor in your ice cream, and drop it in there. Boom, boom. All right. Yes, like that. Same way so. Now, all you have to do here is get this thing all whipped up. So with your hand mixer, you want mix, mix, and mix, and mix away. And this I think is the hardest and the longest part of making the homemade ice cream, because you have to get the thing nice and fluffy. Now, the fluffier you get your mixture, is the better the flavor, the texture of the ice cream is going to be. It is very critical to making ice cream, because if you don't do that, well, when the ice cream freezes up, it's going to separate and it's going to have an icy kind of a texture, like a snowflakes type of thing. You don't want that. You want it to be nice and fluffy, right? As you can see here, it is coming along really, really good. Perfect. And you can even do it longer. The longer, the better, right? Now, you see what that look? Same way so, right there so. Yeah, that's how do our thing. She's doing really good so far. Please thumbs it up, yeah. Thumbs up the videos, because she went check to see if you don't like the video, you know. Now, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and pour in your cookies into the mix, like so. Yeah. Boom. Right there so. Yeah. Then, after you do that, it's time to combine everything together. So, you don't want to mix it up. You want to fold it. Just like we're doing here. Well, just like Data do here. You know, me, I do this. A Data recipe this. Just like Data is doing here, baby girl is folding in her whip with the cookies. Fold it nice and gentle. The gentler, the better. All right. So that's it. You don't need to go no more than that. That's all it takes. Now, after you get done folding it in for about 60 seconds, yeah, it's time to get your container, and the container of choice here is the one that we purchased in the Dollar Tree. You get 3 for $1. Right? Cheap something. Alright, so you go ahead and you pour it in, and as you could see, it is nicely combined. It's perfect, just like that. Yummy, right? Yummy. It looks so good already. Yes, and the smell from the cookies right here is everything. The thing turn up already. Yeah, baby girl is doing her thing. Baby girl wants to take over my kitchen, y'all. I was happy when she said she wanted to make a video, because I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to cook nothing. And then I'll have a video to show you guys. As you notice, I've been uploading pretty often. Christmas is coming and the goose is getting fat. Please could put the penny in the whole man heart. Yes, Christmas will come. Anyway, long story short, you just want to smooth up the top, just like that. And then you want to go ahead and cover it up. Make sure you cover it nice and tight. You want it to be sure that it is well sealed. Okay, sealed. And then you put it in your refrigerator and make it sit for at least one good 8 hours, not less. For me, it did end up for 24 hours because I was just waiting. You know what I said? All right. Now that ice cream ready, nice and freeze up, and she ready to dive in. Now, Data decided that she was going to scoop out her thing, but as you could see, she's having a difficult time scooping up her ice cream, you know? I thought she eat it one time, she go eat it for herself, but no. When you do presentation, it's a whole different ball game. So you know, some mama have to step in and show baby girl how to do the presentation. Yeah, mama have to take over. So, I have to show baby girl how to scoop it up. Now, you don't dig in at it. You scoop from the top, honey, nice and slow like that. And put it in your container, all right? So you do the thing, baby girl. Scoop from the top, slowly down, and throw it down in the container. Yeah. scoop from the top, nice and slow, and put it in there. So no baby girl, get it right? Because remember, y'all, presentation is everything. Oh, when your food tastes nasty and it look good on the plate, people will still eat it. Yeah? Right, that's so. Now, the ice cream was nice and solid. It was perfect. It never tastes like snowflakes. Yeah? The thing was proper. Right? The sad thing about this, I couldn't eat it because I'm vegan. But I did veganize the ice cream the other day, and I can't wait for showing them. I'm going to show them one veganized ice cream. It was really, really delicious, right? That will coming up real soon. So that is all set, and that is all done. But baby girl was not finished. She was like, Mommy, I want it to look pretty on the picture. Alright, so I was like, go get yourself some caramel ice cream, baby. Are you a thing this, So baby girl went in and just pour our caramel ice cream for Una. Una so she pretty up the thing for Una. A for effort. Please give her some love. Give her some thumbs up, because trust me, baby girl will be reading in the comment section to see what I say about her ice cream. Yes. So the thing said good. So make sure big up on yourself straight. Tell me when you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!